For this video, I am going to teach you how you can create an invoice template here in Xero. So the process is very simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to head over to the official website at xero.com and then just log into your account. That is if you do already have an account, and if you don't have one yet, you just need to sign up. Go ahead and try their free trial and then just log in or create an account using your details and your credentials. So after successfully logging in into your account here in Xero, then you'll be prompted to go to the dashboard. So once you are in here, what you need to do is to locate this business section right here on the upper part of your screen, or the upper left part. It should be the second option right there. And then under here, go ahead and locate invoices from the drop down menu. And then just wait and load it for a few seconds. Now, once you are in here, hit this new invoice button situated on the upper part of your screen, and then you'll be able to see this on your screen. So just wait for a few seconds. So now this is it. This is where you can set up an invoice. But for this tutorial, we are going to set up an invoice template. So then you'll need to locate this section right here on the upper part of your screen. So it says right here, set up invoice template. So then you just need to click this add details button situated on the right side part of your screen, and this is where you can edit out or you can type in all of your information. So now if you have a logo for your business, you can just simply add that on the section, hit select file, and then select the logo that you want to use. Now, if you want to add postal address, you can do that. You can add that in the section. Your street address, city, town, state, region, zip code or your postcode, and your country. So once you have filled out all of the information right here, that will be reflected on the template that you are going to use here in Xero. So that's basically it. After you have done that, hit the save button, and then your template will be automatically saved in your account in Xero. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.